little walkthrough. Got the kitchen sink, cabinets. There's a few dishes you might be able to use. Towels up there. Jackknife sofa. Makes out into a bed. Underneath is a little folding table and another sleeping bag. Bed area. There's a TV with a DVD player. The only channels we get is what's local, news, KY3, things like that. The stairs, the bottom two pull out. Each stair is a drawer for your things. And then they push in out of your way. The closet has extra bedding. The stove and oven. And a few pots and pans under there. Cookie sheets. A little fan. You can blow hot or cold air up into the bunk. Coffee maker. And a place to put food. Down here is the radiant heater. We have air conditioning in the wall. The shower. This comes through the wall. You hook this end up to the sink faucet. Turn on your water, hot or cold, whatever you want, and it comes out back here. And this is where the shower is. And we'll have a mat for the floor. For primitive camping, we have this system, on-demand hot water heater that runs on propane. 85 gallons of water can be carried there. You hook up the nozzle to this and you've got hot water. And it's the Thetford curve toilet, which is taller for bad knees. It's about the same height as a toilet in a house. So that's basically it. Refrigerator. It's good size. It has a latch up here. My grandkids always try to pull it down here and you can't open it down here. And it has a little freezer area. There you go.